Hey. Zenzayo. Zenzayo. Ah, Zenzayo. Hey. Hey. Uno day. Ah. Hello, everybody. It's me again, Amatiti for Baba Titi. So, tomorrow in South Africa, Senton, the venue is called Rivonia on Deck. It's happening live. Pa Sentoni, Papo Pahasha, Tinenge Tinawoka, Mkoma Vedu Bekuimbira Nzenzaka, Tishinzenzereka Tilimumu Senton, alongside Killer T, and Kwaiveku Famba Kwa Pauro. Amanaka, Wiai, Mne Wandu Wenyu, Kokanai, and guess what? We're giving away 3 free tickets for the show tomorrow. All you gotta do is tag somebody, tag your friend who's in Joburg, tell them tomorrow Chaka Chayaka, XQ, Mr. Putit, Vanengevari Momu Senton, na Killer T. So hurry up and take your friend. You never know, you might be the lucky winner. See you tomorrow, Senton, Rivonia on Deck. Yeah.